Biotechnology stands for biology and technology. In its most simple form, biotechnology is the use of living systems, that is, microorganisms, by people to make products. Biotechnology uses many different sciences such as biology, chemistry, physics, engineering, computers, and information to develop tools and products. Biotechnology changes genes of organisms for specific purpose. The term biotechnology by Hungarian engineer Karl Ereky was founded in 1917 to describe a process for the production of pigs in a large scale. Biotechnology is also an application of the technology to modify the biological functions of an organism by adding genes from other organisms. Biotechnology uses living cells and materials produced by cells to create pharmaceutical, diagnostic, agricultural, environmental, and other products to benefit society. We can even say biotechnology as the use of organisms, especially microbes, bacteria, fungi, viruses, to produce useful products such as beer, wine, bread, organic solvents, antibiotics. So now let's see the types of biotechnology. The first one is red biotechnology, which is also known as medical biotech. Red biotechnology, also known as biopharmaceutical, is a process that utilizes organisms to improve healthcare and to help the body to fight disease. It is a branch of modern biotechnology that is utilized in the field of medicine. Red biotechnology is not only limited to the pharmaceutical industry but also the medical sector, as it facilitates the elevation of humans' suffering and enhances the quality of life. Red biotech includes producing vaccine and antibiotics and developing new drugs, molecular diagnostic techniques. It has become tremendous use in clinical research and trials, gene therapy and diagnostic of the gene. Genetic engineering is production and development of various medicines that treat different life-threatening diseases, which is a part of the benefit of red biotechnology. As this red biotechnology includes producing vaccines and antibiotics, developing new drugs, molecular diagnostic techniques, and regeneration therapies, development of engineering, genetic engineering. And nowadays, 3D printing is in high demand in biomedicine, and 3D bioprinting represents the future of red biotechnology. And the second one, yellow biotechnology. It is an insect biotechnology. Yellow biotechnology is an alternative term for insect biotechnology, which can be defined as the use of biotechnology based approaches to exploit insects or insect-derived modules, organs, cells or molecules and develop them into products or services for medical, agricultural or industrial applications. Hello biotechnology is also related to food biotech, whereas the production of wine, cheese, beer is done by using fermentation method. Then we have white biotechnology, that is industrial biotechnology, where it pays more attention to design products and process which use less resource and making them more energy efficient and less polluting than industrial one. As we have a very good example, use of microorganism in chemical production of goods, use of microorganism in development of new sustainable energy source such as biofuels, where it also uses enzymes to manufacture the goods for industry such as chemical, plastic, pharmaceutical, food and energy carriers. These renewable raw material and the waste from forestry and agricultural are used to manufacture industrial goods. It also solely applied to the industry to replace polluting technologies to clean environment. The technology uses living cells from mouse, bacteria, plant and yeast to synthesize the easily degradable products. It may need less energy and produce fewer byproduct waste. And let's see the applications of white biotechnology. Here it gives metabolite production, then waste treatment can be done, production of biocontrol agents, bio-based fuel and energy, recovery of metals. It is also called as agricultural biotechnology. This includes the production of new variety of agricultural plants, producing of biofertilizers and biopesticides. This area is especially based on transgenic in plant breed, that is genetic modification in the plant breed. The best example of agricultural biotechnology is the production of Ebola vaccine from tobacco plant. Then the fifth one we have grey biotechnology. It is also called as environmental biotechnology, which focuses on the maintenance of biodiversity and removal of pollutants or contaminants using microorganisms and plants to isolate and dispose of different substance such as heavy metal and hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons that are present in the atmosphere can be reduced using microorganisms. The example of grey biotech is Carlo-based SME Microgen Biotech, which is helping to clean industrially polluted land in China. And sixth, we have Gold Biotechnology, which is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that develops methods and software tools for understanding biological data. In particular, when the data sets are large and complex. As an interdisciplinary field of science, bioinformatics is a combination of biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, statistics to analyze and interpret the biological data. Bioinformatics has been used for in silico analysis of biological queries using mathematical and statistical techniques. Nowadays, bioinformatics is trying to understand the organizational principle within nucleic acid and protein sequence called proteomics.